What if I told you there is a way to earn passive income, not by trading, not by selling courses, but by doing something once and getting paid again and again? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to set up a real passive income stream with IconScout, even if you're a complete beginner. Now, in case you're wondering, IconScout is not some new overnight scam. It's actually one of the most respected digital marketplace trusted by major companies like Unilever, Amazon, and Google to source high quality assets like icons, illustrations, and 3D models. If you have basic design skills, or even if you use AI to create designs, you can start building a serious passive income portfolio here. And no, this is not saturated yet. Most people still have no idea how powerful platform like this can be. And in this video, I'll break down what is Icon Scout, how much you can realistically earn, the market potential of this website, and the future trends you can ride on to make sure as your assets stay profitable. So let's jump into it. First things first, what is this Icon Scout? Icon Scout was launched in 2017, founded by in India by a team passionate about design accessibility. It quickly grew from a small startup to a global platform hosting over 5 million assets today. Icon Scout, Icons illustrations, 3D models, and even Lottie animations. In 2020, it was acquired by Lottie Files, another huge player in the animation world. So you're dealing with rock solid platform with a serious backup. Point number two, how you can earn with Icon Scout. Simple. It's pretty simple. You just have to upload your designs like icons, illustrations, 3D renders, or animations. And every time someone downloads from your asset, you earn a royalty. Icon Scout handles the marketing, licensing, and distributing. You focus on creating, they focus on selling for you. Obviously, they also earn, and you get a percentage. But don't worry, they don't give you only peanuts like the other websites. And we'll talk about it in a few moments. Point number three on this Icon Scout is how much you can earn. Okay. On this website, royalty rates can vary depending on exclusivity, but on average, you earn between 30 to 60% of the sale price, which is actually huge. Whereas most of the websites pay only 10% to 15%, like the Adobe stock or some, all them. And some top contributors easily make to $500 to $2,000 per month passively. Yes, you heard me right. One icon said downloaded hundreds of times could keep paying you for years. If you consistently upload good work, the earnings snowball over time. Okay, at number four, the market potential. The global creative assets market is projected to cross 13 billion by 2027. Businesses are launching daily. Startups need branding assets. Apps need icons. Marketers need illustrations. The demand is exploding right now. Plus, the world is moving toward micro content consumption. People want quick, beautiful visuals. That's exactly what Icon Scout is providing. Last but not least, the future probabilities. AI is changing how fast you can create assets. If you can mix AI generations plus manual polish, you can upload hundreds of assets every month, ethically and creatively. Also, 3D designs are gaining massive popularity with the rise of AR and VR. And Icon Scout is heavily investing in its 3D marketplace. If you start now and focus on emerging categories, your future royalties could be bigger. And here's a bonus tip, don't just upload random stuff. Focus on niche asset packs like real estate icons, fitness illustrations, fintech app 3D models. The more specific you are, the higher your conversion rates will be. As you can see, it also shows some trending icon bundles. If you can just take inspiration from this and create and put something from your own, like using the AI or whatever you use, you can easily earn up to $1,000 a month passively, obviously. You create once and it keeps selling and selling and selling. Listen, most people waste years looking for the perfect side hustle, but the truth is, passive income is about small, smart actions repeatedly, consistently. Platforms like IconScout give you a real, no gimmick way to earn while you sleep. Whether you're a designer, an AI enthusiast, or just someone willing to learn, today is the best day to start. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more real income strategies. And remember, wealth is not built by waiting, it's built by creating. And if you want to learn more about Icon Scout, I'll put a video link in the I button. You just simply watch that. In that video I have explained it properly, so it will be easy for you. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.